Today, you'll learn to discuss franchise agreements and business partnerships in global corporate interviews. Imagine you are interviewing for a global management role, and they ask you how you assess the ROI of third-party contracts or brand licensing. To show strategic depth, don't just talk about simple operations. You need to analyze the real cost-benefit ratio of major brand agreements. Let's start with the verb to operate, which means to manage or run a business or service. Next, we have the noun contract, which is a formal, written agreement between two or more parties. Franchise agreements always involve fees, which are the payments made to the brand for marketing, royalty, or technology. As a strategist, you must determine the actual value of the partnership, evaluating if the brand benefits justify the costs. If the fees are too high, the best strategic decision might be to run the business independently, without parent brand support. His family. The hotel under a franchise for many years. Choose the correct tense for an action that started in the past and continues to the present. The correct answer is has operated. Because the action continues from the past to the present perfect is the correct strategic grammar choice. Now repeat after me out loud. They chose to operate the business independently. They chose to operate the business independently. The Wyndham contract has come up for renewal. The Wyndham contract has come up for renewal. In this lesson, we practiced discussing brand partnerships and using the simple past and present perfect tenses correctly. Practice your own voice in a supportive, friendly environment on Career Talk Lab. Record your voice and get instant pronunciation feedback. See you in the next lesson.